In this multi-step equation, 2x minus x plus x equal x plus 5. Let's go ahead and use the mat to set this up. 2x. Now I need to remove an x. So I am going to remove an x off the mat. So 2x minus x becomes x. Let's bring in another x. X plus x equal x plus 5. The left side of the equation combines to give you 2x. 2x is equal to x plus 5. The left side has an x and the right side has an x. Let's go ahead and remove them off the mat. Subtracting an x on both sides now gives you x equal 5. X is equal to 5. This multi-step equation has variables on the left side and on the right side. In addition, you can notice there is a negative variable on the right side of the equation as well as on the left side of the equation. Let's use the mat to set this up. To begin with, we are going to use the blue pawn to set up 2x. As you can see, the next step is to subtract an x or remove an x. So let's go ahead and remove an x. This becomes combining the like terms of 2x minus x, which in this case you can see it's nothing but an x. Let's add a 3. The left side of the equation is now done. The right side of the equation we need to set up negative 2x. Let's use the white pawn to represent the negative 2x plus 9. As you can see, on the left side you have a 3 and on the right side you have a 9. Let me swap the 9 with a 6 plus 3. Now I can safely remove the 3 on both sides of the equation. Removing a 3 is nothing but subtracting a 3 on both sides. The left side I have an x, the right side I have negative 2x plus 6. Let's use the idea of 0 pairs. I am going to bring in a positive x on both sides of the equation. Let me do that again. Bring in a positive x on both sides of the equation. So on the right side you can see I added 2x. And on the left side also I added 2x. The left side now becomes 3x. The right side, as you can see, you have a positive x and a negative x, which becomes a 0 pair. 0 pairs are nothing but 0, so I can take them off. That is once again a 0 pair and I can take them off. So a negative 2x and a positive 2x cancels out. On the right side, I now have a 6. I need to divide the 6 among the 3 blue pawns. Let me swap the 6 with a 2 plus 2 plus 2. So dividing the 6 among the 3 pawns, which means divide by 3 on both sides of the equation, and each pawn now takes on the value of 2. So x is nothing but 2.